Get through tough tasks with the Craftsman 12-amp chainsaw. Designed with a powerful motor, this chainsaw not only helps you trim small branches, but can also cut through thick logs with ease. Its bar and chain are designed to reduce kickback, and the auto oiling feature with built-in window draws oil in without any need for priming. To maintain its top-notch performance, the chain can be tightened easily without using any tools. And storage is simple when you're ready to call it a day. Confidently tackle your next job with the Craftsman 12-amp chainsaw. Craftsman, we build pride.
The DEWALT FlexVolt 60V Max chainsaw has a powerful and efficient brushless motor delivering gas performance with runtime of up to 70 cuts per charge on a 6x6. The low kickback 16-inch Oregon bar and chain has auto oiling for continuous lubrication and a tool-free tensioning system for quick bar and chain adjustments. DEWALT FlexVolt batteries automatically change voltage when you change tools, working with 20V Max tools and chargers and providing longer runtime when used with 20V Max tools. It starts with the pull of the trigger, eliminating the cold starts and carburetor issues that can come with gas-powered chainsaws. DEWALT FlexVolt, power without gas.
Experience the world's largest compatible cordless system. Makita's LXT batteries take you from power tools to outdoor power equipment. The blower delivers power comparable to a 24cc gas model. From the job site to your home, reach speeds of 116 miles per hour. Use Makita's cordless products anytime, anywhere. One system, endless possibilities. Now get 2 extra free batteries.
Introducing the only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs that need convenient and reliable high performance. The CS1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw from Oregon. Rugged, durable, and easy to use, the CS1500 is as ready to go as you are. Equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor and an 18-inch guide bar, you're able to tackle almost any job. With its low kickback bar and chain, the CS1500 is comfortable and easy to use. The CS1500 is the only self-sharpening corded electric chainsaw on the market. Don't worry if you touch a stone on the ground while cutting. With a simple pull of the red Power Sharp lever, you'll take your chain from dull to sharp in as little as 3 seconds. Oregon's patented Power Sharp technology means you'll never cut with a dull chain again. Perfect for cutting firewood, this low-noise saw is silent between cuts. Enjoy the solid construction of this heavy-duty chainsaw, featuring an automatic chain oiler and toolless chain tensioning system. Offering the ultimate in corded convenience, the CS1500 is built for long jobs that need uncompromised power and precision. Forget about gasoline. This saw starts instantly with no pull cords, warm-up, or gas mixing. Ergonomically designed, this 12-pound saw is well-balanced and fitted with a comfortable handle to reduce fatigue, so you can keep going as long as the job requires. The CS1500 Self-Sharpening Electric Chainsaw from Oregon, the only chainsaw you'll need for the big jobs.
Thanks for watching and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.